What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ102199. Now, this is our SRT Hellcat Widebody conversion kit, and this is for a 2015 to 2023 model. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Now here, we'll have our fender bag, which is all the fenders needed to convert it to widebody. And then inside this bag, you'll have the included brackets for installing it, which are these. Then you'll have your included fender flares. And guys, whenever you receive this, there should be a total of 6 fender flares. Let me go ahead and lay them out for you guys. And for this kit, you'll have 2 different separate types of brackets. These brackets are the ones that I actually attach to the fender flares themselves. Then you'll have your other brackets will attach to the wheel liner on the inside of the wheel well. Then you'll have your included install tape. And that'll be it for your fender flares. Then next, we'll have our rear diffuser, which is VZ102199, which all of these parts will be linked down below in the description. And just like a lot of our other rear diffusers, it'll have the snap-in tabs located along the top edge for easy install. Then next, we can go ahead and move on to the accessories for the front bumper as well as the rear bumper, which includes your grills for your front bumper, one for each side. Then you'll have your bottom grille insert, and this will just help keep your front bumper stiff and help prevent any damage. And then also your bottom grille will slot into this and it'll all bolt together as one piece. Then next, we'll have our bottom grille. And this will just slot in place and then be bolted in. Then next, we'll have our top grille. Which should also just slide in place and then be mounted in with these tabs located on the back side. And then there will also be some little notches for also bolting it in place on the top. Then next, we'll have our front bumper as well as our rear bumper. And then you'll have some included hardware inside the kit for installing everything and piecing everything together. Then we have our front bumper. And as you guys can see here, you'll see where the grills will each slot into place. You have your top, your bottom, and your two side grills. And then if we flip it around to the back, you'll see each of them have tabs, snap-in tabs, running along each edge for easy install on each piece. They should all just snap into place, as well as your flasher indicators on each side. Now, last but not least is our rear bumper, as well as your license plate cover. Which it already has mounting holes pre-drilled into it for easy install. Okay. All right. And besides our rear bumper being the last part, we also have our rocker panels, but since they're too large to fit in this box, we ship them out separately, and we'll showcase those as well. But here on your rear bumper, you can see where your rear diffuser will install and snap into place. Then you'll also see your air duct holes, which have vents for them. And then if we flip it around to the back, you'll see how they get installed, which should just be easy as snapping them in place, especially with your grills. So due to the size of the rocker panels, we actually ship them separately, but they do still come with this kit. And these are VZ102199. And these should come with clips to install them onto the car. Which, if you look inside your rocker panels, you'll have a bag included with the kit, and it'll have white clips to install the rocker panels. Now, once I get this out, I can show you exactly where the clips slide in place and slot in on each one of these raised parts. You'll see exactly how the clips slide in and lock in place. And then on the top edge, you'll have each of these tabs, which will simply just snap into place. And that's pretty much it for this kit. If you want to see more videos just like this, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Peace.